Congratulations on your purchase of a portable access platform. Your portable access platform is proudly manufactured in America and will provide years of service, allowing workers to perform many elevated tasks safely. Your portable access platform is shipped in a knocked-down state and requires some assembly. By following these easy steps, you will be using your new portable access platform in as little as 1 hour. You will need the following: forklift truck with an experienced operator or a crane, 2 9/16" wrenches, 2 3/4" wrenches, tin snips or a banding cutter, leather work gloves, spud wrench or alignment bar, rigging to lift sections of the assembly, and a clamp to securely attach the rigging to the forks of your forklift. Included with your shipment should be 8 short 1/2" bolts, 4 long 1/2" bolts, 5 3/8" bolts, as well as locking nuts for all. Be certain you are using all of the PPE, that's personal protective equipment, that your shop or location requires. Begin by carefully inspecting the unit. Make certain no parts have been damaged in transit or in loading and unloading. Take care when cutting and removing the banding, as they may have tension applied and they will snap open when cut. You will then need to remove the cross brace that is supporting the stair section for shipment. Use your 9/16" wrenches to remove the nuts. Then, while an assistant lifts the stair assembly, remove the brace. Save the bolts and nuts for later use. For the next step, make sure the lift cable is cleared from the stair assembly so it can be removed. You will want to use the outriggers to keep the base from moving during this step. Cut the zip tie securing the outrigger pin and remove. Swing the outrigger into place and push the pin through the plate into the outrigger arm. You can now lower the foot of the leveling jack to the ground. Repeat this process for the other side of the base. With an assistant, you can now safely remove the stair assembly. Carefully place it on the ground alongside the base. Next, assemble the safety railing, which comes in 2 sections. Use the 2 3/8" bolts and locking nuts you saved when you removed the cross piece supporting the stairway. Once you've completed that, locate the 2 cross braces and attach them to the lift frame using the 3/8" bolts and locking nuts. It is easiest to start by putting in the top bolts first. Be certain to firmly tighten all the nuts and bolts, including the one in the center, after all bolts are in place. To attach the stair assembly, you will need an assistant and a fork truck or crane. First, rotate the stair assembly so it is right side up. Next, attach your rigging. We recommend you place your rigging just behind the upper supports of the stair assembly, which will ensure a proper balance. Use your fork truck to raise the stair assembly after you have secured the rigging with the clamp. Guide the stair assembly into place. Using the spud wrench or alignment bar to help align the holes, put the bolts in the bottom of the stair assembly first, but do not tighten the nuts completely until all the bolts are in place. Once all 8 are in position, firmly tighten the nuts. The next step is to attach the safety hoop. Make sure it is balanced by making test lifts and adjust as needed. You will need the 4 long 1/2 inch bolts and locking nuts. Because these stairs have been ordered with the optional safety gates, you can safely stand on the deck at the top of the stairs as the fork truck operator positions the hoop. Start on the left side by placing the bolts through the holes in the reinforcing plate, then sliding them through the mounting holes. Place the bolts for the right side as well. Use care in maneuvering the hoop and put nuts on the bolts once the 2 surfaces are aligned. Attach the other side in the same manner. Then tighten all the nuts firmly. The last step is to attach the lifting cable to the stair assembly. Remove the eyelet from its stored position and pass the cable behind the support frame. Attach the eyelet to the base of the stair unit and tighten the nut firmly. Give the crank a couple of turns to take up the slack, and your portable access platform is ready to use. Operation of your portable access platform is easy. Roll the unit into place with the steering bar. And extend the leveling jacks closest to you until they make solid contact with the ground. Extend the outriggers and make sure they are locked into place. Then turn and lower the leveling jacks until they make solid contact with the surface. Once all 4 leveling jacks are lowered into place, slide the safety bar out to allow the stairway to be raised. Crank until the stairway reaches the desired height. Be certain you slide the safety bar in before climbing the stairs. Use your portable access platform with confidence, and remember, safety is everybody's business.